फ्लूइड मैकेनिक्स के इंपॉर्टेंट ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चंस में हम लोग बात करेंगे नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की कि 1 क्यूबिक मीटर ऑफ वाटर वे कितना होता है। राइट आंसर इज डी, दैट इज़ 1000 लीटर। इन 1 क्यूबिक मीटर में 1000 लीटर होते हैं। नेक्स्ट, 1 लीटर वाटर ऑक्यूपाइज अ वॉल्यूम ऑफ, राइट आंसर इज डी, 1000 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब। नेक्स्ट, when a liquid is flowing through a pipe, the velocity of the liquid is, right answer is A, maximum at the center and minimum near the walls. Maximum at the center and minimum near the wall. Next, if an incompressible liquid is continuously flowing through a pipe, the quantity of liquid passing per second is different at different section. What is the right answer is B, false. Next, the imaginary line जो कि drawn होती है in the fluid in such a way that the tangent to any point gives the direction of motion at that point is known as, क्या कहलाता है? Right answer is B, यानी streamline. Next is the flow in a pipe or channel is said to be uniform when the flow in a pipe या channel is said to be uniform when, the right answer is A, यानी the liquid particles at all section have the same velocity. Next, the flow in a pipe या channel is said to be non-uniform when, कब ये कहलाएगा? flow in a pipe या channel is said to be non-uniform when, right answer is B, the liquid particles at different sections have a different velocity. Next, a flow in which each liquid particle has a definite path and a path of individual particles to be not cross each other is called, the right answer is C, streamline. A flow in which each liquid particles has a definite path and the path of individual particles do not cross each other is called streamline flow. Next is a flow in which each liquid particle does not have a definite path and the path of individual particles also cross either is called a turbulent flow. The right answer is A, agree. Next, a flow in which the quantity of a liquid flowing per second is constant is called, a flow in which the quantity of liquid flowing per second is constant है, तो वो क्या कहलाएगा? The right answer is A, यानी steady state flow condition. Next, a flow in which the quantity of liquid flowing per second is not constant, then क्या कहलाएगा? Then is D, that is your unsteady flow. Next, which of the following statement is correct? आपको बताना है कौन सा स्टेटमेंट जो है इसमें करेक्ट है. The right answer is, कौन सा स्टेटमेंट इसमें करेक्ट है? इज D, all of them, यानी incompressible flow, the volume of the following liquid change during the flow, and a flow in which the volume of the given following liquid does not change is called incompressible flow, and when the particle rotates about their own axis while flowing, the flow is said to be a rotational flow. Next, according to the equation of quantity, C, A1 V1 बराबर A2 V2. Next, a flow through a long pipe at constant rate is called, right answer is A, steady uniform flow. Next, a flow through a long pipe at discharge rate is called dash uniform flow. Right answer is B, unsteady uniform flow. And a flow through a long pipe at a decreasing rate is called unsteady uniform flow. Next, a flow through an expanding tube at a constant rate, वो क्या कहलाता है? The right answer is B, steady non-uniform flow. Next, a flow through an expanding tube is at increasing rate is called unsteady non-uniform flow. The right answer is A, yes. Next, a flow whose streamline is represented by a curve is called B, two-dimensional flow. Next, a flow in which the volume of fluid and its density does not change during the flow is called dash flow. The right answer is A. Incompressible flow. A flow in which the volume of a fluid and its density does not change during the flow is called incompressible flow. Next, all the gases are considered to have a compressible flow and all the liquids are considered to have an incompressible flow. This statement is right or wrong? This one is the correct. Next, a flow whose streamline is represented by a straight line is called dash dimensional flow. Right answer is A, yani 1. A flow whose streamline is represented by a straight line is called one-dimensional flow. Next, one-dimensional flow is the flow of, the right answer is B, take place in a straight line. One-dimensional flow, the flow take place in a straight line. Next is, in two-dimensional flow, the flow doesn't not take place in a curve. The right answer is B, false. Next, the total energy of a liquid particle in a motion is equal to, आपको बताना है कि टोटल एनर्जी ऑफ अ लिक्विड पार्टिकल इन मोशन इज इक्वल टू, क्या होगा? राइट आंसर इज ए, प्रेशर एनर्जी प्लस काइनेटिक एनर्जी प्लस पोटेंशियल एनर्जी. दिस इज द कार्ड. टोटल एनर्जी ऑफ लिक्विड इज पोटेंशियल एनर्जी, काइनेटिक एनर्जी and pressure energy. Next, total head of a liquid particle in the motion is, total head की जब बात की जाएगी तो हो जाएगा A, यानी प्रेशर हेड प्लस काइनेटिक हेड प्लस पोटेंशियल हेड. प्रेशर, काइनेटिक और पोटेंशियल हेड को जोड़ देंगे तो मिल जाएगा टोटल हेड. नेक्स्ट, बात करें फॉर अ परफेक्ट इनकम्प्रेसिबल लिक्विड है फ्लोइंग इन अ कंटिन्यूअस स्ट्रीम, the total energy of a particle remains the same while the particles move from one point to another. The right answer is what is the right answer is B, yani Bernoulli equation. Coming to this statement is Bernoulli equation, that is for a perfect incompressible liquid flowing in a continuous stream the total energy of its particles remains the same. अब आपको बताना है कि इसमें से कौन सी बर्नौली इक्वेशन है. अकॉर्डिंग टू बर्नौली इक्वेशन, what is the formula is, right answer is A, that is Z plus P upon W plus V square upon 2G equal to constant. Next, आपको बताना है कि जो आयलर इक्वेशन है इन द डिफरेंशिएशन फ्रॉम द मोशन ऑफ अ लिक्विड इज गिवन बाय, कितना होता है? राइट आंसर इज ए, यानी डी पी अपॉन रो प्लस जी इंटू डी जेड प्लस वी इंटू डी वी बराबर 0. नेक्स्ट, बर्नौली इक्वेशन जो होती है बेस्ड होती है ऑन द जम्पशन दैट, राइट आंसर इज डी, ऑल ऑफ द अबव, यानी देयर इज अ नो लॉस ऑफ एनर्जी ऑफ द लिक्विड फ्लोइंग, द वेलोसिटी ऑफ फ्लो इज यूनिफॉर्म अक्रॉस माई क्रॉस सेक्शन ऑफ द पाइप एंड नो force except gravity acts on the fluid. Next, the Euler equation for the motion of a liquid is based upon the assumption that, the right answer is D, yani all of them, yani the fluid is the non-viscous, homogeneous and incompressible, the velocity of flow is uniform over the section and the flow is continuous, steady and along the streamline. Next, Bernoulli equation is applied to, किस पे अप्लाई की जाती है? द राइट आंसर इज डी, यानी ऑल ऑफ दिस, यानी वेंचुरी पर भी, ऑरिफिस पर भी एंड पिट्यूट ट्यूब पर भी. Bernoulli equation is applied to वेंचुरी, ऑरिफिस एंड पिट्यूट ट्यूब.